Hi, I'm Miss Hema and I'm the instructor at Kumon of East Hanover. I'm here today just to take you through some of the safety measures that we have in place that allow our students to be able to return back to in-person Kumon studies and feel safe. Our main classroom students enter through this door. Upon entry, their temperature is taken and it's recorded. Students are also invited to use hand sanitizer to clean their hands, making sure their hands are germ-free. Upon check-in completion, they are guided to their desk. The student will follow the arrow markings on the floor. They'll go to their designated desk. Upon arriving at the desk, they will remove their completed homework, completed corrections, and they'll also remove their classwork for the day. They'll go ahead, proceed to do their classwork and place that on the card also. The only person in the center who is actually moving around is myself. This way we minimize any movement in the center, minimize any contact of any kind, and our students can stay safe at their desk. All the desks are placed 6 feet apart, so we're making sure that we maintain all the social distancing measures required and promote safety as much as we can through the center process. When students come to the in-center class, as an instructor, it gives me eyes on their work directly. Of course, I can do that also in the virtual setting on Zoom, but being able to give a student the immediate feedback on their work is so much more important, and it's something that's a little difficult to do over the Zoom session. It can be done, but it's not quite as immediate. In the event that a family is not able to come to in-person class, we are still offering our Zoom sessions. On a Wednesday, when I have in-person class, I also have the Zoom session happening at my desk, and then I have some assistants who will be in class also doing the breakout rooms within the Zoom, working with individual students where that need is required. Welcome to our early learner section. This area used to be a former parents waiting area room, and now we've transformed it to an early learner section. Here in this classroom, we're able to accommodate 4 early learner students in one sitting. The assistant sits at the top of the table and she has 2 students either side. The students have plexiglass in between just to make sure we're following safety guidelines. And the assistant, as she's working with the students, will use a pointer stick to be able to help and guide them with their worksheets as necessary. Kumon is a program that moves at the pace of the student. So when we're assessing a new student for enrollment, we're really looking at what their abilities are, where they belong in the curriculum. Of course, we have an extensive curriculum from pre-K all the way through to high school. So, there's a depth of material, but we want to go with a place that's comfortable for the student and to make sure we're making daily strides. It's so rewarding and it's so joyful to be able to see students learn. The way this pandemic has evolved, we've all got different things to think about, different family circumstances. So as a business, we're being very nimble and being able to accommodate everybody's needs and yet still be there as a daily force for our students to be support for them.